Well, once again it's cold, wet, windy and miserable, but I'm super happy today because I've got this, which I hope is the key to this. Let's find out.
Yes, it's the right one.
After someone else took that door apart, I took that door apart. I didn't get anywhere. I emailed Mercedes-Benz. They emailed me the key code back pretty simply. This could have saved an awful lot of bother if I'd done it in the first place. But is this the secret of my salvation? Will this free the car? Will it turn the steering wheel? Can I make this car work? No, apparently I can't. Oh, balls. Bugger, no I can't.
Back in the Mercedes, the key will not turn. It goes in quite happily. It's clearly the right, obviously the right kind of key, but it just does not want to turn even a little bit. And the steering lock turned hard over. Oh, it's having none of it. So I'm guessing someone's changed the lock barrel. Oh, that's loose. Oh, great. So someone must have changed the lock barrel at some point in the past. So I've no idea what key it should have. Damn it.
Code was correct. Key does slot in there quite happily, and it turns in the lock. And I even just with two hands managed to take the store handle in and out again, which is a shame. So that's the right key for the car. The steering lock is knackered in the dashboard, or someone's changed the lock barrel at some point.
So that didn't go too well. Looks like someone's changed the lock barrel at some point on the ignition, which means either I've got to find a locksmith who can do a probey thing and make a key from putting a thingy down the barrel, or I'm going to have to cut the whole thing off with an angle grinder, which is going to be messy and time consuming, but it's one of those things. I'm guessing it's going to be the grinder.